help protect your loved ones in a worst case scenario, but what kind of life insurance should you get? Whether it's mortgage life insurance or personal life insurance. Peter Cishecki from Everything Financial joins us this morning to help clear this all up for us. Good morning, Peter. Good to see you.
Nice to see you, Carrie. Good morning.
So is there a difference between mortgage life insurance and personal life insurance?
Absolutely. There's lots of differences. The biggest difference really is that with personal life insurance, you're in charge, or God forbid you pass away, your beneficiary is in charge of how the death benefit gets paid out. Imagine you have a $500,000 mortgage and you buy mortgage life insurance from the bank or the mortgage broker, and you pass away, there's only $400,000 left on the mortgage. Well, only $400,000 gets paid out, but you've been paying for $500,000. With personal life insurance, you get the $500,000, your beneficiary, and you can decide, do I pay out the mortgage, or do I maybe invest the money and use some interest and principal to pay the mortgage down? So when the mortgage is finally paid, I still have, as the beneficiary, some money left over for raising kids, paying other bills, going on with life, whatever the case may be. But it's your policy. You really decide what happens with the death benefit.
This sounds like the kind of thing that a lot of people that come to you have no idea that the death benefits are this different.
They don't. And then you look at the other things, of course, involved, like cost and what happens when it renews and things. And people need to know. People need to be informed about this type of insurance, because your house and your mortgage is key. It's your biggest asset, really. And you want to know, if something happens to you, how your loved ones are going to be looked after and what choices they have in looking after their own financial future.
So is there a difference in cost between the two?
Well, let's just take, as I said, I did some examples, but a $500,000 policy for a non-smoker, the average price difference from most lenders to personal insurance is 40%. 40% cheaper for the personal insurance that you have choice with, that actually pays you the full benefit, versus the mortgage insurance, which is about 40% more, where you don't have the control and it only pays out what's left. If you get into a smoker benefit, so a smoker and what the cost is of that, the smoker difference is about 60% more expensive from the bank or the mortgage broker. So not only you have choice, you save a heck of a lot of money by having your own policy too.
Is there any situation, Peter, that you would recommend someone have both mortgage life insurance and personal life insurance?
No. Without even knowing people's situations, straight up. Well, what do you expect, Carrie? No, it's not for the 40% difference. The thing is, you actually go through an underwriting process too with personal insurance, where you're answering the questions and you're insured right then, once you're free and clear and there's no fraud involved. But you go through the underwriting. With mortgage insurance, you go through the underwriting at death, which means in a lot of cases, not every case though, but when there's renewals, if your health is not good, you have to requalify, be reapproved, etc. With life insurance, you have guaranteed renewals with term policies, so it's a lot more secure insurance as well. It's just all around a better benefit, a better type of insurance. But the key is, talk to your registered financial planner, go through a plan and make sure you get the right amount of insurance, because maybe it's not just the mortgage you need insured. Maybe you need some extra coverage. Something happens to you so your spouse can raise the kids. Maybe there's other debts in the family you need to look after. And for getting the most bang for your buck, by far, doing the personal insurance is going to allow you the extra money to look after the other things your family needs as well.
Yeah, well, we all want the bigger bang for our buck. Peter Cishecki from Everything Financial, thank you so much for chatting with us about a topic that a lot of people's eyes usually glaze over. So thank you for clearing that up for us. Thanks, Peter.
All right, Carrie, have a great day.
You too.